What's happening again? It's your boy Javaughn.
It's your girl Javaughn in the building.
And welcome back to another man. Welcome back to another bang video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, as you guys see by the thumbnail, by the title, we're going to be doing something a little different, something that I never seen before, something I never know exists. I'm going to let she take over because she know more about it than me.
So guys, as y'all can see by the title of this video, I believe it's called the Koala TikTok challenge. It's a TikTok koala challenge or whatever. I've been seeing going around, so I kind of wanted to do it. I don't know every step, but I kind of like been watching videos, so I think I have an idea of what to do. But basically Javaughn is just going to be standing like a tree, standing still, and then me as a koala, I'm just going to be climbing all around him basically. And I'm going to try to do all this without falling or stepping down on the ground. So yeah guys, without further ado, we're gonna get straight to the video. Make sure y'all comment in the comment section, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when we post another video. And yeah guys, let's get this video started.
You know what
I know what to do, I think. So you just stand like this.
I know that part. I'm talking about for you.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna just do what she said. So he said,
stand like, you gotta come up some. Come up some, because I'm going to jump on your back first, so come up a little more.
Ooh, if you're going to sit right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. You know what you're doing?
No, just, yeah, kind of.
Okay, that's enough. So you sure you don't need to rephrase the...
No, I'm good,
okay,
I'm good.
Let me pray because grab my body.
Okay.
There we go.
So, first, I jump up.
Oh, shit! I didn't even do that.
Man, I said first I'm gonna jump.
Hey, it's slippery here.
Okay. I'm gonna jump. Y'all don't know what to do. Okay, so I think now I wrap around here. Oh shit. And then, whoa.
I told you she can't hold her whole body.
Oh my gosh.
I was fearing slipping all the way down.
Okay, come on, try it again. We're gonna get this. Okay, so, wait.
What?
Stand up something a little bit. Okay. I jump up, right?
I don't know, I guess.
Okay, then I come. Put your hand up some more. Okay. All right. Oh shit. Oh, I made it.
That's not it.
Babe, push it up some.
Push it up. I can't push it up.
Jump up some. Yo, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. Oh wait. Okay. I think I know. Wait, babe, stand up.
I'm standing up, nigga.
Okay.
Goddamn! Yo, do what you do! I don't think that was a part of the video for you to climb over her head.
Yes, I gotta climb over your head.
Well, guys, when she climbing, she just like she going on my hand. This is my hand. She just sit there.
I'm tired.
All right.
I'm tired.
Okay, hang on. We can do this.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh shit. Wait. Okay. Put that. Wait. I got it.
What are you doing? You see, guys, when she goes through it, she just suck off my hand. Of course, my hand gonna give up.
I'm trying. My leg won't get over here. I'm scared. I'm gonna fall straight down. It's fun.
God, come on, guys. High post. We can do it.
Woo.
We can do it.
Woo.
We can do it. Come on.
What? My arms. Oh gosh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You hear my bones pop?
Yep. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
What was that?
That was my stomach.
Oh, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Okay. Alright. Now, under, like this. Oh, I think that's how she did it.
But you put her legs up first.
Huh?
Just put this leg under first.
Oh, she did.
Yeah.
Okay. How the hell am I gonna get back up here? Baby, squat. Squat. No, never mind. Don't squat. Don't squat. Don't squat. No squatting. No squatting. Okay. Okay. I think this is how she did it.
I think it doesn't matter as long as you go over.
Oh. They ain't see it. They ain't see it. Get back up. They ain't see it. They ain't see it. Get back up.
How you gonna pull yourself from there?
Shit. Man. God damn. I was so close. Babe, your pants slippery. You gotta take them off.
Who?
Take them off.
Under my boxes?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it in your boxes. You ain't got no tight pants. Alright guys, try it again. This is the last time. If we don't get it this time, shoot, we just ain't gonna get it because I'm tired.
Nope, we ain't no quitter.
Alright, he changed pants so that way I wouldn't slip. Hopefully these work. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, face scoot up some a little bit. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Look, you jump high. There you go. 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 Go, go. Don't stop. Don't hold it. Hold it. Come on, go. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay,
come
wait.
on. Don't.
I gotta go back.
Why you went down?
Huh?
Why you go? All right, come on. Easy, come on. Take it through the
What's this shit? Okay, come on. Come on.
You know you can grip my back and pull yourself, right?
Okay, I got you.
Oh, God.
Okay,
It's harder than I thought.
It is. They made it look so
Ooh.
easy. I feel like they did like 5, 15 times. Oh, they got it. Are you ready?
Yeah, come on.
Alright. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Oops, my baby.
Go. You got it. There you go. Go. Hold on. Ooh, hold on. Hold it. I don't know how you look right now.
Shit. Oh gosh. That's it. Man, you know what? Fuck this shit. Get back up. This is how we gonna do this. We cheating today. Get back in the stand. Whoop.
What are you doing?
Woo. We did it. Guys, we tired. That's it. Oh gosh. Alright, that's it guys.
Oh, you quit it?
That's it. I'm tired.
Come on, man.
One more time?
Yeah, one more. We gonna get it. All right, do it what make you can do it. Like, you not do hard to do. Let's do it hard. All right,
Shoot.
I think you gotta move fast because once you stop.
Yeah, losing momentum.
Yeah, come on.
All right, 1, 2. Push, I'm weak.
Oh, guys.
No, baby, that's it.
No, come on, we can do it. Come on.
Oh, really?
Come on, one more.
Bitch, I know you fucking lying.
Dang, oh my gosh. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2. With my arms.
Come on.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Baby, put your arm.
Come on. Hold on. You want to tie your legs together? Yeah. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Is it holding you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come on.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Come on.
Okay.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight with one hand. No, hold on tight with this hand. With both hands. With both hands. Try to bring one of your feet over.
Ooh.
Come on.
Ooh.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
You see, you already fucked up.
How?
You fucked
I'm
up.
sliding.
This leg is already gone. Yep. This leg's already gone.
What you mean?
Come on. Come on again.
1, 2.
Go. Go. I got you. Go.
Okay.
Hey, don't go too far. Hold your balance. Hold your balance. Okay. Hold it. Okay, go.
Huh?
Easy, go down. Lock your legs. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now.
That's the challenging part.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You think you can make? Say my right leg. Think you can make two of your legs, two of your hands. Hold that.
What?
It's my right leg, right?
Can I put my leg through?
No, you think you can make two of your hands? Hold that.
So my hands hold it?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah. That, yeah. Okay, try and bring your left leg, this leg,
Right. That's right.
your right leg over. And hold on, yeah, keep it, hold on. Keep this leg right here. Hold it as tight as you can. Hold it.
Shit.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ouch. Ouch.
Are you falling? Come on. Go. You ain't gonna make this.
Nope.
You ain't gonna make
Wait.
this.
Give me your hand.
You ain't gonna make this.
No, they ain't gotta know. They ain't gotta know. They ain't gotta know. They ain't gotta know. Alright, we ain't gonna do it, babe. It ain't gonna happen. Alright, guys. We done with this video. That's it. We almost made it like a couple of times. So, yeah, just give us A for effort. Or E for effort, whatever it is. So, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment in the comment section. Let us know what other challenges y'all want us to do. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post another video. And guys, we out. Peace. Oh God.